This is going to be a video tutorial on how to delete browser data on the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To delete your browsing data, you want to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you'll go down to where it says Delete Browsing Data. As you can see, the keyboard shortcut for it is Control plus Shift plus Delete. I'm going to click on Delete Browsing Data. A little dialog box will pop open. At the very top up here, you choose how far back you want to go with the deletion. Last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days. I'm going to click this drop down here. Last 4 weeks or all time. If you wanted to completely delete your browsing data, you would click on all time. Down below that, you have options on what you want to delete: browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, download history, Leo AI, autofill form data, site and shield settings, hosted app data. You would choose what you want to be deleted. If I wanted cookies and other site data deleted, I would check that box. If not, I would uncheck it. Then you go down to the bottom and you click on Delete from this device. It'll take it just a second and it will be deleted. That is how to delete your browsing data on the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.